Summer vacations are over and schools have reopened. Let's sneak into a classroom and find out how the first day is going. Shh, come with me. Good morning, class. Let's do something fun today. One by one, tell us what you did during the holidays. I went to a water park with my cousins. I ate 3 ice creams in one day.
We played cricket every evening.
I watched all the episodes of Chota Bheem.
I helped mom in the kitchen. Wow, did you hear that? How they enjoyed holidays? They all used affirmative sentences in simple past tense. They tell us what someone did in the past. In affirmative sentences, we use second form of the verb. Simple, right? Like we went to a water park. They ate ice creams. You played cricket. So many fun things you all did. Now tell me honestly, what you did not do during the holidays. I did not finish my holidays homework.
I did not wake up early, not even once.
I did not read the book you suggested.
I did not visit any relatives this time. Now they used negative sentences in simple past tense to tell what they did not do. What did they say? They said, did not wake up, did not study, etc. Now here's the trick. In negative sentences, we use did not plus first form of the verb. That's the base form. For example, we say we did not go. We don't say we did not went. It's we did not finish. If we say we did not finished, it will be incorrect. So the classroom was buzzing with stories and questions too. Let's hear what the students asked each other about their holidays.
Did you go on a trip?
Did you eat anything special?
Did you visit your cousins? Did you miss me? Wow, did you hear that? So, that was the question time. These are called interrogative sentences, means questions. In questions, we start with did, then add the person, and then the base form of the verb. For example, did you go? Did she visit? So, that was an interesting first day at school after holidays. Now, let's have a quick recap what we have learned today. If you did something, use second form of the verb like played, went. If you did not do something, use did not plus first form of the verb. For example, did not play, did not go. If you're asking something, use did in the beginning, then subject, and then first form of the verb like did you play, did you go. Now it's your turn. In the comments, write one thing you did during the holidays, one thing you did not do, and one question you asked your friend. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Learning with Poonam Jain.